get videos to upload on your YouTube channel if you are not wishing to make a video. Okay, so just go to the web browser first and type Pexels, and then just go to this first website, Pexels, and now just let the website to reload. And yeah, now just click on this search box and now search the category, like you can search games. Okay, and you can see your different types. Okay, like now I will search for just a second, I'll search for entertainment. Okay, so it will show me entertainment photos. Now it is set a photo, so you have to set it to videos if you want to upload it on YouTube. Okay, so just select any video and download it, and then if you want to edit it, you can edit it, and then you can upload it on YouTube. So thank you for watching this video. I am sure you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.